Unveiling the Mysteries, Understanding Red Tide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss: red tide. This phrase might sound a bit mysterious and intriguing, and that's exactly why we are here to break it down for you. So, stay tuned as we delve into the meaning, usage, and origin of the term red tide. Red tide refers to a natural phenomenon where the surface of a body of water appears to change color, usually to a red or brown hue. This change in color is caused by the rapid growth of algae in the water. These algae blooms can produce toxins that have harmful effects on marine life, birds, and even humans. It's important to note that while the term red tide might suggest that this phenomenon is related to the tides, it actually has no direct connection with the tidal movements. The name red tide has been used historically because these blooms were often noticed by the reddish discoloration of the water near coastlines. Let's look at how red tide can be used in sentences. 1. The fishing industry was severely affected due to the red tide last summer. 2. Here, red tide is used to refer to the algal bloom that had a negative impact on the fishing industry. 3. Tourists were advised not to swim in the ocean because of the red tide. 4. In this sentence, red tide is mentioned as a reason for caution, indicating its potential harmful effects. The term red tide has been in use for centuries. Its origin can be traced back to the times when people started noticing the discoloration of water bodies without understanding the scientific reason behind it. Despite advances in science and the understanding that red tide is caused by algae, the term has stuck and continues to be used today. Staying informed and taking necessary precautions are crucial during a red tide event. Here are a few tips. 1. Avoid contact with the affected water. If you notice the water is discolored or see dead fish, it's best to stay out of the water. 2. Be cautious with seafood. Ensure that any seafood you consume during a red tide event is sourced from a safe and uncontaminated area. And that wraps up our exploration of the term red tide. We hope that this video has helped clarify what red tide means, its origins, and how it can affect both the environment and us. Remember, knowledge is power, and being informed helps us make better decisions. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.